Okay, so for fun, I soldered on leads on each side of this switch. So I put two, see what focuses here. I put two here, and I put two there. So I have separate the left side of the switch and the right side of the switch. Now if I plug in the left side, we can see that it works perfect. If I plug in the right side, it goes crazy. Yeah. If I like mess with it, well, let's start it over. So it's going crazy. There we go. I stopped it. 1, 2, 3. There, and it goes crazy again. Anyway, it's the one side of the switch. One side's bad, one side's good.